welcome back. I am Shayla and today we're in my bathroom because I'm going to show you as a non-toxic chemical-free mom how I clean my bathroom. Let's go. First, we're going to jump into these tiles on the wall and get all of the soap scum off of them. Start with spraying your Revive Immunity Boost Cleaner Concentrate, and I'll teach you how to make that later on in the video. Then I go in with water on my magic eraser, and the spots that are really hard to get, I put some soap on if you have some CASTILE soap or just some shampoo laying around. Now we're going to put our suction cup hooks back on the wall for my kids' toy net. This thing is super sturdy, so if your kids have a lot of toys or you have big bottles of shampoo that you want to put in it, I highly recommend it. I will link it below. Now we're going to go in and make our cleaner concentrate. Go ahead and start with filling your spray bottle with water. If you fill your concentrate before your water, you will see that it suds up real bad, and you will see that's what's happening to me in this video. Grab your concentrate and you're going to add about a half a catful of it to your water bottle that's already filled with water. Now before I found Revive Essential Oils, I always used Young Living, and the reason why I switched is because I had to take 2 months off when I was pregnant with my son, and I had to cancel a lot of my subscriptions. So I needed to find something that was cheaper and was still seed to seal and 100% pure essential oils. And the reason why Revive is so much cheaper is because they don't have an upline like Young Living. Now here you see I took another water bottle and I filled it up with water because I am making my smell away. Take Revive's Purify and add 15 to 20 drops to your spray bottle. Purify smells the exact same as Young Living's Purification. We always keep this on hand anytime we want something to smell better, especially in our bathroom. Now we're going to go into our niches and use the same exact method that we used on the tile earlier with the magic eraser. And if you have really hard soap scum spots, you can use some CASTILE soap to get into there. My husband is a carpenter, that's why I use the proper term niche instead of just saying a shelf, which I would probably normally say. Now we're going to tackle the tub with the dirt and soap scum. We're going to spray it down and use the same magic eraser method. When I was pregnant, I could never clean the tub because my hand always cramped up so bad. So this time you can see I just grabbed a scratch pad and went in, and I hardly had to scrub. It was amazing. I wish I would have discovered this sooner. Now use your scratch pad wisely, because later my husband came home and I told him what I did, and he said, Shayla, you can't do that. You're going to scratch up the tub and just create more dirt a lot faster because of all the little tiny scratches that you're making. But I'll probably still do it again. Just don't tell him. Everything you need is linked below.